For my next video, I'd like to do one on disabling an app that tracks us, monitors us, looks at what we're looking at. It just is completely a nuisance that's unneeded, and the manufacturers keep coming out with this app and putting on your phone. You can't even delete it. The only way to get rid of it is to turn it off. So to preface, I have One UI 9. This is going to work for way underneath that. So this is going to work on any Android device. I have the new Samsung S26 Ultra, but this is going to work on a lot of the older phones as well. This app's been around for a while, and they're making it more and more powerful by tracking us. Again, it's not needed. The normal person doesn't need this app. It's useless, but it's monitoring us. It monitors our clicks. It monitors where we're at. It monitors where websites we're looking at. Just a lot of things that are unneeded. So let's dig right in, as I like to say, and get rid of this. So first thing you want to do is go into your Go into the Play Store. And then in the upper right corner, your profile, and scroll all the way to the bottom and go to Help and Feedback. This is kind of tough getting to, which is probably by design. So anyway, we'll go to Search Help, and we're going to put Apps. And then the next one is Delete Apps on your Android. And then we're going to scroll down and tap to go to Application Settings. Okay, and then we want to go to the very top, the three dots, and go to Special Access. And then we want to go to Usage Data Access. Okay, now what we've done here is we're taking a look at all the files on our phone, except we're still not quite there. You want to hit the three dots and go to Show System Apps. So now we have all the apps that's on our phone under Usage Data Access. And the very first one is where you want to disable Ad Privacy. It's unneeded. Again, this is the app that's checking you out, and for want of a whole lot of better words, is useless. So you want to disable that. It's not going to make your phone run any different, with the exception of social media apps, and all these other apps are not going to be getting your personal data information and where you go and all that information that's going to them that they don't ever need to have. So let's go over this one more time, because this is tricky to do, and it took me a couple times even to get to it. So one more time. So again, go to Play Store, your name or your profile icon, all the way to the bottom, Help and Feedback. And there are quicker ways to get to this, but I'm doing it the best way that I can explain it. Search Help. And we want to search Apps, and then Delete Apps on your Android. Then go down, Delete Apps, and then we want to go to Special Access. Then we want to scroll down to Usage Data Access. We then want to go to the three dots again and Show System Apps, and there's your app, Ad Privacy. And if you go to, let's just do something else here. We'll go to, say we go to Apps. Let's see if we can even get to it this way. Apps, and we want to do, well, let's go to, we want to go to Apps, and then special access, so you can do it this way. It's a little faster. So go to apps, special access, then usage data access, then of course show your system app. So there's two ways of doing it, both to get to the same end result. But make sure you disable this. It's really a very volatile and useless app that doesn't need our personal information. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.